make myself sneeze, I need you to make me sneeze. So come on, follow me, and I'll show you what to do. To make a robot sneeze, you have to do 3 things. First, you have to shake your belly like this.
Shake, shake, shake.
Do it with me.
Shake, shake, shake.
Next, you have to pat your head 3 times, like this. Pat, pat, pat. Do it with me. Pat, pat, pat. Now for something really silly. Flap your hands and say, ooga, ooga, ooga. Do it with me. Ooga, ooga, ooga. But to really make me sneeze, you need to put the moves together, like this.
Shake, shake, shake.
Pat, pat, pat. Ooga, ooga, ooga. Do it fast.
Shake, shake, shake.
Pat, pat, pat. Ooga, ooga, ooga. Faster.
Shake, shake, shake.
Pat, pat, pat. Ooga, ooga, ooga. Even faster.
Shake, shake, shake. Pat, pat, pat. Ooga, ooga, ooga.
Achoo! Woohoo!
It worked. Your sneeze popped all the mud bubbles.
Ooh, thanks for making me sneeze. So, we made it past the ice lasers and the mud bubbles. What's the last terrible trap? The 100-brick wall. Right.
I don't see a 100-brick wall anywhere.
It's
The 100-brick wall! It goes from the floor all the way to the ceiling. That tricky shape, Bandit! There's no way around it.
Looks like the only way to get past this wall is to knock it down.
I bet I could build something to knock it down. Something really big. But, Geo, you need shapes to build things, and this hallway is empty. Hey, Bot, do you have anything I could use?
I don't know. Let's check my Bot-Bot-Bottomat. All I've got is this toothbrush, a ball of soap, hair curlers, a piece of dental floss, and one more thing. A roll of toilet paper.
But that's just a bunch of bathroom stuff. But if I put them together just right, I bet I can make a wrecking crane! Here's a blueprint of a big wrecking crane that can knock down the wall. And here's how we can make it out of bathroom stuff. Where does this toilet paper go? Right there, yeah! That's the crane's cab, where we sit. Where do these hair curlers go? Yeah! Those are the wheels. Where does this toothbrush go? Over there! For the crane's boom. Where should I put this string of dental floss? Yeah! It can be the cable. Just one more piece. Where does the soap go? Yeah! It's the wrecking ball! Now, to turn these bathroom shapes into a super wrecking crane, sing... Super Shapes! Super Shapes! Our wrecking crane is ready for action! Come on!
Geo, smash down that wall.
Okay! To make our crane smash through the wall, we have to say 1, 2, 3, smash! Say it with me! 1, 2, 3, smash! All right! We smashed through the wall!
And there's the door to the Shape Bandit's room.